To honor and commemorate the 84th death anniversary of Soso Tham, a legendary poet, the Khasi Authors Society, in collaboration with its Rebhoy unit, organized a memorial event at Rebhoy College. The event was attended by the local MLA of Nongpo, Merulbon CM, as the chief guest, in the presence of W.K. Bla, Secretary of the Rebhoy College governing body, along with students and others. In his address, CM lauded the efforts of the Khasi Authors Society in organizing the event to honor Soso Tham, celebrated as one of the most prominent poets and authors in Khasi literature.
Isang sarong halor kami begidan yaki disi council berher midon ki hima midon ki ilaka midon ki raj midon ki ramwasno ki bepet ki bekmi ya karkom penyak sno karkom jit ramwasno karkom sensal sno bat kontak bat misno men ba Disi council buat happening kijing kibubun, kijing dona kibubun kita, dan dari yang kini dah ngelak berpenek besar.
Raj Bhavan Shillong came alive with festive cheer yesterday.